Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another nail video. What's up, what's up? We are going to be turning these Amazon press-on nails into a set with Polygel. Yes, clear Polygel. So here are the press-on nails that we are using. They were $9 on Amazon. It comes with a cuticle picker, those temporary nail stickers, and then a small nail file. Here's how the nails look a little bit closer. They're like this graffiti kind of art moment. So I really wanted to try these. Of course, the first thing you do when you start your nails is you want to drill out your nails because you want to make sure that it's nice and dry, and this is what helps the nails stay longer. So I just drilled my nails, and then of course we're going to go in with our cuticle pusher and we're going to push the cuticles back. Once we do that, we're going to cut off all of that. Honestly, this is one of the most satisfying things about doing my nails. I love to cut my cuticles. You must be very, very careful when you're doing this because you can easily nick yourself and that'll hurt. Okay? And you don't want that. So this is a baddie of all trades type of vibe. So we do fashion, hair, nails, makeup, and all of that good stuff, as you can see. Make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Give me a big like, kiss the like button, comment down below, and all of that. So I'm applying my nail dehydrator, and this also is something that you want to use to help dry out your nails. It's really important to dry out your nails, and this is how you get the longest use of your press-ons. You want it to hold like a full set. This is the best part about it. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going in and I'm measuring out the nails and seeing which one is which. As you can see, I'm like just throwing them out and just touching them and messing with them and looking at them just to see what size is what size. Once I go ahead and get those sizes, I go ahead and line it up, as you can see, and that is how they look. I'm noticing that with these press-on nails, they should match on each side. That's how you know you have the same size nail. Each size is similar, if that makes sense. Okay, so what you're going to do when you're applying your press-on nails is you're going to put the glue. I use the glue from Macart. Most of my nail stuff is from Macart because I usually do Polygel. You're going to put that glue all over the nail, and then you're going to grab that nail and you're going to push it into the cuticle. You can do it on an angle like I did, or just go straight in, and then you're going to push it down, and like as if you're pulling it down from the cuticle to the nail tip. You want to push that down, and you want to make sure that all of the glue, you can't see any spaces. That's how you know it's laying down properly. So you want to hold it and kind of angle it a little bit so that the glue goes all over that nail. And this is another tactic or another method to make sure that it lasts longer. So that's how the nails are looking so far. I'm doing that last pinky nail. Yeah, these are really, really cute. I love the length of them. They're perfect because I'm a new mom and I can't change diapers with long nails. So this is how we're going to be vibing for a while now. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other hand. I added the other press-ons on that side. So the reason why I decided to add the Polygel on top of it is because I had another press-on nail set which was really cute. I didn't do a video for them, however it was horrible because all the paint that they had put on it was starting to rub off. So I thought maybe I could turn this into a set. So as you can see, I'm using my Polygel, the top coat and base coat. This is the base coat going on my nails right now, and then also that nail slip solution which I put into that shot glass from Vegas that says fuck me, I'm in Vegas. Yeah, anyway, why did I even say that? So when you're putting on the top coat, you want to make sure that's all over the nail. You don't want to have any pieces that are like empty because it's going to look spacey. You want it to still give the vibe of a set as the press-on nails would. This is just going to protect the nails even more. So I'm just going to put a small little dot on my nail, and I'm going to pat that in at the back of the nail first and then spread it out. I'll show you better here on this nail because I have a tendency to pull the nail toward my face, which I need to stop doing because like I'm on camera. But I'm so like anal about making sure that it's nice and even. So once I have it packed down, then you see as I'm pulling it forward, and when you're pulling it forward, you want to make sure you're doing that evenly so that there are no spaces in that nail. And pretty much that's all you have to do. I only put one layer because it is a press on and it's short. Once that's short, I don't like it when it's too thick. So then we just go back in with the top coat after curing that, and then you just cure that space too. I went ahead and did the other side, of course, and that's me applying the top coat to that other side. And then you just go ahead and throw it in the thing, and that's pretty much it, guys. Like, this is a super quick tutorial. I just wanted to show you how I get those long-lasting press-on nails, which for super cheap on Amazon. Make sure you check out the link in my description so you can get these nails and all of that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!